After some months, snowfall has started, but again, that flaky skin and dry lips. Ew, I hate that. Girl, if you also like me and don't like winter because it can directly affect our skin and lips, then bomb. Today, I am here to share with you my ultimate guide to glow up this winter. From hair care to styling tips for winter, I've got you covered. Step 1. Hydration. Before diving into beauty routines, let's talk hydration. Winter can be super harsh on your body, and you need to hydrate from the inside and out to maintain that glow. It's not just about drinking more water, it's about maximizing how you hydrate. But I know in winter it's hard to drink lots of water as it's cold outside. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In winters, internal hydration is super important, as sometimes dehydration can also cause dry lips. To make sure you hydrate your body properly, create a hydration drink using water, a tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a slice of cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and works wonders for your skin. Drink this every morning to hydrate from within. It also gives your skin that fresh, bouncy look. External hydration. In winter, your skin dries out quicker, so after cleansing, apply a hydrating serum like hyaluronic acid while your skin is still damp. This helps to trap moisture and keep your skin plump all day. A trick most people don't talk about is applying a hydrating mist throughout the day. It keeps your skin refreshed without needing to reapply moisturizer. Step 2. Hair care. We all know winter weather can wreak havoc on your hair, making it dry, frizzy, and more prone to breakage. But don't worry, I've got a solution that will leave your hair silky and nourished all winter long. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that deeply moisturize your hair, while honey is a humectant that locks in moisture. The rosemary oil promotes hair growth and adds shine. Warm up the mixture slightly and apply it from your roots to tips, massaging it into your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes, then wash with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Your hair will feel softer, smoother, and hydrated. Avoid washing your hair too often in winter, as this strips away natural oils. Stick to washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week. And always use a leave-in conditioner to keep your hair moisturized and manageable. I also have some easy and cute hairstyles that you can do all day. Hairstyles. Now that your hair is taken care of, let's talk about hairstyles. Winter is the perfect time to switch up your look with styles that not only look great, but also protect your hair from the cold. Hairstyle 1. Loose waves with a twist. Loose waves are classic, and they work perfectly for winter when you want a soft, effortless look. Here's the twist. Instead of using a curling iron, braid your damp hair into 2 sections before bed. When you wake up, you'll have heat-free, natural-looking waves to keep them looking fresh. Apply a lightweight hair oil to the ends to prevent any dryness caused by the cold air. Hairstyle 2. Chic low bun with face framing strands. A sleek low bun is not only elegant, but also protects your hair from the winter wind. To add a trendy touch, pull out a few face framing strands and curl them loosely. It's the perfect balance between polished and playful, and it works with any outfit. Hairstyle 3. High ponytail with volume. For a more playful look, go for a high ponytail with some volume at the crown. Use a texturizing spray to give your hair that extra lift. It's a cute, easy-to-maintain style that keeps your hair off your face while still looking chic. So that are some classic hairstyles that you can do all day long in winters. If you want more ideas, search pins on Pinterest and see tutorial videos on YouTube. Step 3. Skincare. Winter is notorious for drying out the skin, but with the right steps, you can protect your skin and keep it glowing through the cold months. Try this face mask to give your skin instant hydration. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with a tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal and a bit of milk to form a paste. Honey is a natural humectant and antimicrobial, while oatmeal calms irritated skin and provides gentle exfoliation. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for 15–20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This is perfect for keeping your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated, especially when it's dry and flaky from the cold. In the winter, layering products is key. After cleansing, start with a hydrating serum like hyaluronic acid, followed by a rich moisturizer that contains ceramides or shea butter. These ingredients are incredible for repairing your skin's barrier and locking in moisture. And don't forget sunscreen even in winter. Your skin needs protection from UV rays. Step 4. Nail care. Your nails can become brittle and weak in winter due to the cold, dry air. Here's a simple yet effective way to keep your nails strong and healthy throughout the season. I always make this DIY cuticle oil that really make my nails strong and polished. Combine equal parts of olive oil and vitamin E oil in a small bottle. Every night before bed, massage this mixture into your nails and cuticles. Olive oil hydrates, while vitamin E strengthens your nails and helps repair any damage. This treatment works wonders for preventing breakage and keeping your nails looking neat and polished, even without nail polish. If you love painting your nails, make sure to apply a base coat with strengthening ingredients like keratin to prevent your nails from peeling. Also, avoid using acetone-based nail polish removers in winter. They dry out your nails even more. Step 5. Lip care. Lips are one of the first places to dry out in winter, so keeping them soft and smooth is essential. Don't waste your money in buying lip scrubs. I have a really good scrub that can make your lips hydrated and soft. Firstly, mix 1 teaspoon of brown sugar with half a teaspoon of honey and a drop of olive oil. Gently massage this scrub onto your lips in circular motions, then rinse off. Follow up with a thick, hydrating lip balm or a lip mask overnight. Do this once or twice a week, and your lips will stay soft and kissable throughout the cold months. Step 6. Body care. Winter can dry out your entire body, so don't forget to show your skin some love. Now for body, mix 2 tablespoons of ground coffee with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of sugar. Use this scrub in the shower to exfoliate dead skin cells and increase circulation, which gives your skin a natural, healthy glow. The coconut oil will leave your skin moisturized, while the coffee works as a natural exfoliant. If your skin feels so dry after shower, no worries, I am here to give you solution of your all problems. Right after your shower, apply a thick body butter or oil while your skin is still damp. This locks in moisture and keeps your skin soft and hydrated all day. Choose products with ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, or almond oil, which are great for deeply nourishing the skin. Step 7. Style. Winter fashion doesn't have to mean sacrificing style for warmth. It's all about knowing how to layer smartly and accessorize. Firstly, start with thermal or heat tech innerwear. These pieces are thin but incredibly warm, allowing you to wear your stylish outfits without looking bulky. For example, layer a thermal turtleneck under a trendy sweater or knit dress. Add a chic coat, and you're ready to go. Now it's time for accessorizing. Winter is all about accessories. A statement scarf, a cute beanie, and a good pair of leather gloves can instantly elevate your outfit. Another style hack: opt for knee-high boots paired with skinny jeans or tights for a sleek, put-together look that also keeps you warm. Step 8. Confidence. And of course, the most important tip in your glow-up journey is confidence. No matter how amazing your skin, hair, or outfit looks, it's your confidence that truly makes you shine. Own your beauty, embrace who you are, and carry yourself with confidence every day. None of these tips will matter if you don't feel amazing in your own skin. So, remember, beauty isn't just about what's on the outside. Glow from the inside, smile more, stand tall, and own every step you take this winter. Confidence will always be your best accessory. That's a wrap on today's video. I hope these tips and DIY beauty hacks help you achieve the ultimate glow up before winter. If you loved these tips, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. Stay warm, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.